guys, this is Grace again. So this is a follow-up to my microwave scrambled eggs video. This is the same cooking class by CSB. So let's get started. Today we're going to be making mac and cheese balls, bites. That's right, bites. And right now we are making the mac and cheese. So we preheated the oven to 400 degrees and we are boiling the water on the stove. Okay, so unfortunately with the microwave scrambled eggs, you got to see it live, like every step of the way, but because the mac and cheese bites are a little longer, I'm not sure if that's gonna work. So you'll see most of it. So the water is now boiling and I'm going to pour this in. This is mac and cheese and I already took the cheese out. But you want to use your box like a white cane. You want to feel for the handle. Then you want to guide it until it comes to this like crevice, and then use it like a diving board. If one or two pieces don't make it in, don't be upset, don't fret. If, a few pieces, don't make it in. But that is how you pour mac and cheese.
Okay.
I'm so confused. Are you videoing?
Yes.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so, the water boiled, we put in the mac, like, not the MacBook, but the... Okay, so we just cooked the mac, not the MacBook, but mac, like macaroni. And so we are now going to put it, ooh, that's heavy, in the strainer so that the mac is mac and not mac and water. So I'm gonna find the strainer with my oven mitt hand. Oh, okay. And then I'm going to pour. 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 And pour. And pour. And pour. What is that noise? Yay!
Okay. So now, I'm gonna stop.
Okay, so we strained and I'm just sort of shaking a little bit. There we go. And so now I'm going to pour this back in the hot pot with all the rest of the mac and no cheese. So I'm going to find the pot with my hand, my gloved, everybody remember that, hand.
Okay, you gotta make sure.
You know what, I'm gonna need some help. Now I add a stick of butter. So what I do is I find this and I sort of remember where that was and like how far that was, which isn't very hard to do. And then I dump it in. And that's how you add a stick of butter. But I'm pretty sure we stir it or something because like you don't just leave that. Okay? So after you've mixed your butter in, you want to pour the cheese. So I'm using my cheese like a cane. And I'm pouring the cheese into the mac and butter. And now you have mac, butter, and cheese. 1/4 cup of milk, again, do the, what I call, white cane technique. So we pour that in. And then 1 egg. I'm gonna stop the video just for a second. So I'm a little scared to crack an egg inside a pan that is hot because why would you want to do that? That's scary. So what I have a new measuring cup. This is the 1/3 and I'm going to, ooh, that breaks nicely. Crack the egg into the 1/3 cup. Put all the shells in the trash can. But now, here's where it comes in. You take your 1/3 or whatever you decide to use, and there shouldn't be any eggshell in there. you use the white cane technique and you pour it in. So I washed my hands and then Mom and I sort of mixed it. But next is 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Mom and I both thought that next time we make this recipe, we're gonna put feta instead of cheddar because like we like that better. But because we're doing like the recipe tutorial and we don't want it to turn out, you know, not very good, we're going to use 1 cup of cheddar. Whoa. 1 cup, not 1 floor. There. Mom, would you say that's about good?
I say maybe a little more.
Okay.
Just a little more. Okay, great.
Oops. Okay. And I'm going to pour that in. Let's do this together on video. So again, the white cane technique. We call it that because it's like you're using your cup as a cane. And that is how you do that. I'm stirring it. Okay. I think that's good. Do you, Mom?
I do. It smells delicious.
I know. It's pretty awesome.
All right, what's next?
Let's go read what's next. See you in a minute. Now you take your muffin or mini muffin, I don't know if there's a difference, tin and spray. So I'm just going, I spray this one for practice, but you just go like that, but obviously more. Then you just spray each, fail, one. Why does this sound like sunscreen or compressed air? Okay, so I did 2 for practice, but the next step is to put your mac and cheese in the mini muffin tins. That's a little bit too much, I think. I'm going to find my next hole. I'm gonna have Mom help me a little bit.
That's fine. It's fine.
I put in the wrong one.
But you're filling all the holes anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
That's a little too much. There you go.
There we go. Hot. Folks, this is why people need practice. But they're gonna turn out good in the end.
I think you're getting too big of a scoop.
Too big of a... That's too much. So I've now perfected my technique. So that's about right. So I'm going to...
Well, tell them what you did to perfect it.
I changed from a ice cream scooper to a regular spoon because it's just a little bit easier for me. So,
So I guess everybody needs to just see what they're comfortable with?
Yeah.
It's a good tip.
About to say that.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, whatever's more comfortable for you. And I'm not saying one is better than the other. I'm just saying that one may be more comfortable. Now, I'm sure you guys don't want to see me scoop every single one, so we'll stop the video. Sprinkle some feta cheese. Or, why do I keep saying feta? Cheddar. Mama. Pause.
Okay, go. So what are you doing now, Grace?
Still crumpling the cheese.
So you're just sprinkling it on the bites?
Yeah.
Cool.
The bites! Not. And now, you let them bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown. And there's our oven. So for lunch, I'm having BLT and mac and cheese bites. So let's try one. A little bit too much butter, but they're good. I tried one before, but I don't know. It's like every time you try them, they're better.
Better and better and better.
Yummy.
Yummers.
Make these.
Yes. 2 thumbs up, right?
Woo! 2 thumbs up.